we're missing the caps on the wheels on the back of the chair.
Mitch Stark has been trying for the last several months to get his specialized wheelchair repaired.
We're totally missing a fender on this right side.
It was damaged during 3 separate flights operated by WestJet between April and August of this year while Stark was moving from Toronto to Vancouver. Stark says while attempting to load his 450-pound wheelchair, baggage handlers dropped it on multiple occasions. He says he watched it all happen from his window seat at the front of the plane.
It would literally drop onto the ground, bounce off the ground like a basketball. And then when they did get it into the aircraft, they would turn the wheelchair on its side because, it doesn't fit in the aircraft.
Stark says the damage is extensive. Broken caps and fenders, missing lights, a dysfunctional armrest. The specialized chair, once enabling him to stand upright, has incurred over $9,000 in damages.
These are my legs. And I'm thinking in my mind, like they just dropped my legs.
In an email, a WestJet spokesperson apologized for the delay, saying they are working with a third party to fix the damage and hope the repairs are done soon.
To my knowledge, it is one of the biggest challenges that persons with disabilities traveling by air face.
Air passenger advocate Gabor Lucas says WestJet's responsibility in this case is clear.
When the mobility device of a person with disabilities is damaged, the airline has to repair it right away or provide an equivalent substitute immediately at its own expense. Doesn't matter how much it may cost.
For now, Stark says he will not be flying on WestJet until they can assure him his chair will not be damaged again. Nadia Stewart, Global News.